In this video, I want to show you why your favorite gurus always sell SaaS. Most infopreneurs, most creators, they start by selling a course, coaching program, and then they transition into selling a SaaS. Now, you need to ask yourself why. I've made a couple of examples here. Jordan Welch, for example, teaches people how to do dropshipping. He had Viral Vault, which he eventually sold for multi-six figures. We have Iman Gaji, is an investor in Warp, and he also has Flozy, which is a SaaS specifically made for agency owners. Then we have Alex Ramosi that has Skool that allows you to have and monetize a community. And then we have Alex Becker that has Hyros. That's a tool that allows you to properly track your ads metrics. Now, ask yourself why these people transition to having their own SaaS. And the answer is very simple. Because a SaaS brings more money, it's a sellable asset, just like how Jordan Welch did with Viral, and the SaaS works 24/7. A SaaS works regardless, even if these guys are sleeping, even if these guys' interests change, the SaaS will still keep on working. So that's why they all shift to having a SaaS solution. So we can see that for these creators, these infopreneurs, a SaaS solution is very valuable for these reasons here. But they do not have the time and the technical knowledge to build this type of solutions. So there are always people and teams behind this SaaS. Okay, here's where the opportunity for you is. You can leverage a tool called High Level that allows you to white label their platform and offer their features as your SaaS. So you can white label High Level and sell it as your own. Now let's see what type of features are inside High Level. High Level has a lot of features that allows you to replace a lot of other softwares. For example, you can have CRM and pipeline management that replaces tools like HubSpot. You can have unlimited sales funnels, which you can use to replace ClickFunnels. You have website builder, surveys and forms, email marketing, two-way SMS marketing, and all of these other features over here. So what does this mean for you? This means that you can partner up with these infopreneurs, can be industry experts, consultants, coaches, anyone who is already selling a course or a coaching program and has an audience, and you can build them their own SaaS by white labeling Go High Level with their branding, and you can get 20 to 40% of the revenue that comes in from the SaaS, because it's going to be you that's going to build and manage their SaaS. And it's not that hard at all, because you do not have to build the features from scratch. The features are already inside High Level. The only thing you have to do is rebrand everything. So rename the SaaS, put a logo, and change background colors and stuff like this. But it's very, very simple. You do not need to be technical, you do not need to code, you do not need to be a software engineer to offer this type of solution. And this is what I call the SaaS partner business model, because you will be partnering up with industry expert, consultant, coaches, creators, and you will be building them a proper SaaS. But the only difference is that you are not coding anything from scratch, but you're just leveraging High Level and you're rebranding their platform. And this is the best business model that you can start in 2026, because it doesn't require you any capital. The partner you're going to partner with is not going to pay you upfront. They're just going to get money from the selling of the SaaS, and it's a win-win situation for everyone. I've done other videos where I go more in depth on this business model. I will link it up here. You can check it out if you want. But this is the concept for the SaaS partner business model. Now let's see some more practical examples. Let's say you partner up with a creator, and this creator wants to build something like Skool, right? A place where his clients can build communities. There's no problem. You can build that solution with Go High Level, because Go High Level has the communities feature, and it's very, very similar to Skool. You can take that feature inside Go High Level, and that creator, that infopreneur you partner with, can offer it as his own solution. And you can sell it from anywhere between $50 to $99 per month, depending on the niche. Now, let's say you partner up with someone who works with agencies and he wants to build something like Flozy. You can do it, because all the tools that agencies need are inside Go High Level. So a CRM, a sales funnel, SMS marketing, a place where the leads can book appointments, AI agents if they want to automate stuff, calls features, certain onboarding automations. You can do all of this inside Go High Level. So if you can do it in High Level, that means you can white label it, and the infopreneur you partner with can offer it to its audience. And this is a very valuable solution. It's a win-win situation for everyone. And this solution can be sold for anywhere between $100 to $150 per month or even more. Third example, you partner up with someone who wants to build something like ClickFunnels. He wants to offer his audience the opportunity to build their own sales funnels and their own VSL. Go High Level has the sales funnels feature, email and SMS marketing, onboarding automations, and a website builder. So you can package all of these features, brand it with your partner's branding, and then offer it to its audience as its own SaaS. And you can sell it for anywhere between $100 to $150 per month. Now you may ask yourself, if everything can be done in High Level, why don't people directly go to High Level? And the answer is very simple. Go High Level is a very general platform. They don't really have specific features for specific niche. They have great features, but they're very general. That's why there's an opportunity to take these general features and apply it to different niches. So you can take these general features and then offer it to contractors, or you can offer it to cleaning businesses. You can offer it to agencies. You can offer it to insurance agencies. This is the potential of Go High Level. Go High Level is very general, and no one wants to stay there and learn how to apply it to their niche. They may understand the potential, but if you present them with the same features but packaged specifically for their niche, they'd rather pay you. So this is why a lot of SaaS are built on Go High Level. They use Go High Level's features, but they have built it for specific niches and they're making millions of dollars per year. This is the reason why people won't use Go High Level, but rather a white label, niche down version of it. Because imagine being a contractor. You're not very technical. You do not understand how to set up your own processes, and they tell you to use Go High Level. Like, you will be confused. But if a SaaS, an agency comes and tells you, hey, this is a pre-made website for you. These are pre-made ad creatives. We've set up this AI agent, this chatbot that knows your business and automatically books appointment for you. The contractor is going to understand this solution way better than the general Go High Level platform. And same goes for every other niche. So there's great opportunity here. You can partner up with an industry expert and offer them to build them their own SaaS. And all you have to do is white label Go High Level. As I said, it has all of these features here. If you want, there's going to be a link in the description so you can try Go High Level for yourself, explore the entire platform so you can have a better understanding of it. And if you want to learn more on how you can offer this type of solution for these infopreneurs, make sure you join my Skool group waitlist. The link is going to be in the description. It's going to be free for the first 50 to 100 people, because I want to help as many of you who are really interested in building this type of solution. And this year, I want to help as many people as possible reach the Go High Level Awards, which is an award for SaaS built on Go High Level. In the gold tier, these are all SaaS that have more than 100 plus active users. In the platinum tier, all these SaaS have more than 500 active users. And in the diamond tier, all of the SaaS here have 1,000 plus active users. Ideally, I would like to help as many people as possible reach this diamond tier here, but even just getting the gold tier would be great. But the goal is to help as many people get to the diamond tier here. So if you're interested in the SaaS partner business model, or even just learning how you can offer Go High Level for yourself as a business, make sure you join my Skool group. So this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, put a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and as always, work smart, stay blessed, and see you in the next one.